Hello friends, this is Milani Hajjan. So welcome to my channel that is all about enhancing what you have. Today I am going to give you my 3 month update on S20 FE. So let's start. I love this phone overall. It is an investment, trust me. I love the touch of this phone. It doesn't have any touchscreen issues. Its fingerprint scanner works perfectly fine too. This phone works exceptionally fast. It does not lag even if I have 10 apps open at the same time. S20 FE's battery is powerful. It goes on for an entire day of usage with a single charge. The sound quality is good too. Last but not the least, I love its back camera. It is excellent for videography and photography as well. Its zoom is very good too, and it doesn't even hinder the image quality. Now let's talk about its cons. Firstly, it heats up a lot because it has an Exynos chip. It will heat up instantly if I'm using the camera or using my phone a lot, and even when it's on charging. I just hate this about S20 FE. Secondly, its front camera is 32 megapixel and its image quality still sucks. My Note 10 Plus takes better selfies with a 10 megapixel front camera. Thirdly, I don't like the way S20 FE's camera blurs my skin. I just want to take real pictures, but it just blurs my skin and it pisses me off. So that's all about my review. I hope you guys liked it, and if you want to see a detailed review on this phone, then the link to that is in my description box below. Bye bye.